I did my first arm and I want to do other arm here, and I show it to you how to do my measurements. In my measurements I have my arm is 60 centimeters long without my rib. Without this rib it's 60 centimeters long. I mean it's come from my neck. I'm not measuring from my shoulders. I'm measuring from my neck, like this. My neck and my arm come from here to my arm, and I show it to you my measurements. This is my edge of the neck, this is my collar, and this is my edge of neck, and I show my measurements. This is 60 centimeters here. Oh, sorry, 60 centimeters here from shoulder, neck to shoulder. Now I have my this arm, and I measure this one. It's also have 30 centimeters, and therefore I need to it from here to here. It's have 30 centimeters. I need more 30 centimeters because I need 60 centimeters long arm, and this is my 30 centimeters, and 30 centimeters I need. Count how many rows do I need to do for 30 centimeters. My gauge is 1 row, 1 centimeter, sorry, 1 centimeter, 1 cm, 1 centimeter is 2.7 rows, represent 2.7 rows. I have 30 centimeters. I need to find out how many rows do I need. I multiply by 2.7, and it's mean I need 81 rows. And next I need to find the width of my edge of my hand. I want little bit loose one. I don't like the very tight one. I take 25 centimeters for end of my arm in here, and I need to find the how many stitches do I need for this measurement. I'm going to, because I my stitch count 1 centimeter represent 2 stitches, and therefore I'm going to find out how many stitches do I need. I'm going to multiply these 20 centimeters with 2 stitches. I got 50 stitches for this here. I have 80 stitches over there. I count these stitches. I have 80 stitches. 80 stitches I need to reduce 30 stitches. That's mean 80 stitches subtract 50 stitches. I need to reduce 30 stitches. When I'm doing my stockinette stitch, I need to reduce 30 stitches, not 30 centimeters, 30 stitches. And how do I find out how I reduce the thing? Because I have 81 rows. Yeah, 81 rows here, 81 rows. I mean this measurement, and I'm going to divide by 30 stitches in this. Okay, when I'm doing that one, I get 2.7. 2.7. I'm going to do 3 every 3 rows. I am going to reduce 1 stitch. reduce 1 stitch. Every third row I am reduce 1 stitch. First I am going to start this one, and first row I take it for 0, and then I'm doing 1 2 3. Third one I'm going to reduce 1 again. I'm going to reduce sixth row I'm going to reduce 1 again. Ninth row I'm going to reduce 1. I'm going to start my arm, and I'm going to divide in like this, otherwise I can't do that. I'm going to divide like this. I'm going to take it off. I'm good edge of this one, and I put my stitch marker here because it's the starter, and I'm going to take my yarn, and I'm going to knit. This is my 0 row. I'm going to knit. I'm not doing any fancy thing, I'm just knitting. And like this. Now I come to edge of this. If you don't know how to do circular needle, it's do like this, and I'm come to this part, and I'm go again. This is my middle, and I'm taking off this one. I put this thing here. Okay, now again I have 2 things, and I'm going to knit again. I put my needle here, and I going to pull this yarn tightly, otherwise it's going to be a big hole in there, and you need to pull this one and do knitting again. When I reach my starting point, I show you how to reduce 1 stitch. I am in the last stitch before my stitch marker. I need some stitches from this area because I need to reduce 1 stitch. Okay, I take these stitches here, and I'm going to do, I take these stitches here, I'm going to reduce 1 stitch. How do I do? I am going to skip this one, and I knit this stitch, and I am going to put over the yarn. I put my stitch marker here because stitch marker here again, it's in the middle, and I'm going to stitch again like before, and I go round and round. This is my, now I am starting my first row. I put my counter 1, and again I am going to 2 rows, and third row I am going to reduce 1 again, and I am in now end of my third row, you can see, and I am going to reduce 1 more stitch again. This is my middle, and I'm going to do, I'm skip this one and take it off my stitch marker, and I knit and next one and put over this, oops, put over this stitch, and put it back my middle marker and knit again, and I am starting 4th row now. And after that you can go your desired length. My desired length, it's not desired rows, my desired row is 81, and I'm going to 81 rows, but every third row I'm going to reduce 1, and after I reach my desired length I come back. I already done 81 rows now. I reach my desired length, and I have 50 stitches in here. Now I'm going to do my ribbing. I'm going to do 2 by 2 ribbing. I put my stitch marker again. I'm going to do 2 by 2 ribbing, and I'm going to do 2 knit and 2 purl. 2 purl, and sorry, and again 2 knit, 2 purl, and I'm carry on 10 rows of these 2 by 2 ribbon, and when I'm done I have kind of these rib.